Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We showed 101 crores as the estimate, including receivables, what we're supposed to get from 101, what we're supposed to get from dues and everything also. So that is custom for any budget also. So now this year we'll start working. See, we've already recovered 12 crores now in dues out of 35 crores. So this year now we will try to do much better than that. So if it's 12, then we'll try for 15 or 20 crores this year. They have good
When
suggestions.
you said that this is a cut and paste budget,
Yeah, it is a cut and paste budget, which ATOs and mayors also agreed upon it. That's why they'll fine tune it again.
ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ
No.
Tax
No.
how much is the surplus? You said that commission surplus budget.
बजेटाचेर विरोधक खोशिना.
I don't know, when I asked the mayor commissioner where is surplus or deficit, he's saying surplus. But he didn't
I'll
tell
give you the
me
exact
how much is the amount of surplus.
ओवरऑल बजेट जो सरप्लस दाखयला पळय आमकां डावट आसा की हो सरप्लस बजेटाक इतके पयशे रेव्हेन्यू येतलो काय ना.
कितलो दाखयलो?
सरप्लस जवळ जवळ 14 कोटी कितें सरप्लस दाखयला. तो 14 कोटी सरप्लस हे इतके पयशे येतले आमकां रिसीट इतके येतले काय हे आमकां डावट आसा. कित्याक फाटले जर हे पळयत जाल्यार हावस्टॅग जो येता रेव्हेन्यू येता पळय तितकोच येता फिक्स आसा तो. आमचो आउटस्टँडींग भरपूर आसा. तो आमचे आतां इतके स्टाफ आसा आमी ते सजेस्ट केला की ते कोण तरी एक टीम हे करा दवरा आनी ते रिकवरी करून हाडा म्हणून.
मेयर लक्ष घालता पूण तेणे एज फार एज बजेट इज कन्सर्न तेणे मातशें आनीक मायज लक्ष घालपाचें. तेणे आपले जे पर्सनल सीएक बी कोणाक इनवॉल्व करपाचो सो दॅट ही अंडरस्टँड थिंग्स बेटर बिकॉज ऑफिसर्स वील ऑलवेज गुन्हा येतले न्हू.
टॅक्स बी कितें वाडयला?
टॅक्स वाडोवंक ना बट दीस इज ओन्ली ए कट एंड पेस्ट बजेट.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.